Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am coming to you today with a collaboration which I am participating in. This collaboration is being hosted by Bum B DIY and Joan Brody. Guys, if you have not checked out these two wonderful ladies' channels, you need to run over right now and subscribe. Also, there will be a link in my description box down below to the playlist of everyone that will be participating in the collaboration. If you enjoy watching the videos, be sure to show all the participants some love by subscribing to the channel. Well guys, this is the end of my video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. In my description box down below, there will be a link to the playlist of everyone who's participating in this collaboration. So please comment, share, and like their video. Again, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Miss Bumby DIY and Joan Brody for hosting this wonderful collaboration. It was so much fun. Again guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, be blessed, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.